How to reset settings on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. After opening the General page, scroll all the way down to the end and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. On the Transfer or Reset iPhone page, simply tap the Reset button located on the bottom side. A pop-up with several different reset options should open up. From the option, select Reset All Settings. This action safely resets all of your device's settings to their factory defaults without affecting your personal data, photos, or media. Following these steps, you can easily reset settings on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.